Welcome to the Shady place. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country. In this episode, we visit some white sand beaches in Florida, head west into Mississippi to camp at Desoto National Forest, and finally spend the day in New Orleans.
Alright, so we are on the road. We are headed to Cow Lake Landing. We're only going to be there for one night. We're hoping to go to the beach, do like an all-day beach tomorrow. So we're going to go to the campsite tonight, go to sleep, and wake up in the morning, and hopefully we'll see them white sand beaches everybody's talking about. Okay. So this is the spot for the night. I got her pulled in there, and yeah, this is pretty nice. It's actually right on the water.
So this is the Choctawhatchee River. I guess that's how you say it. Choctawhatchee?
Choctawhatchee? Sorry, okay. There are a lot of Indian names. Caloosahatchee, Lake Okeechobee, Choctawhatchee.
Alright, this is the next morning. We're at a little overnight spot. We got her started up. We are heading to Grayton Beach. It's about an hour drive from here. And we're off.
We're going to the beach!
Alright, we just got here to Grayton Beach, and we're gonna take a little walk down to the beach. It's about a mile from where we parked.
I'm gonna make some PB&J's, nice little picnic for us. So we'll have lunch on the beach. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, look how blue the water is. Excited, Rusty! I'm excited! Rusty! Get some sun, take a nice little cool dip. It's so clear! Look at my feet! Look how white the sand is. Oh, I know.
It's squeaky. Oh, it's a big one.
Back to Thoretta. We had a great time at the beach. It's a little bit windy. I kind of wish it got a little hotter today, but it's still beautiful. I love the white sands and the emerald blue waters. Rusty, did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Look at these cool paintings. Must be paintings from locals. So we're getting the map all together. We are about to leave. This time we're going to be doing some driving. We're going to be driving on Route 10, and we're going to be heading west. We're hoping to reach all the way to the Mississippi rest area. We're going to sleep there for the night, and then yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We had a great time in Florida though, but I think it's time to head further west. Good morning. So we made it to Mississippi. We drove a couple hours last night. We ended up sleeping at a Walmart last night because the rest station that we were planning to go to was actually closed. But today is another reality check for real RV full-timers. We got laundry to do. So we got done with all of our laundry. We are on the road. We're headed north to Desoto National Forest. Yeah, like you can see the trees like burning as we're driving by. There's even like patches on the road that have like little fire patches. Okay, it's looking pretty clear now. I think we're good.
We're at Desoto National Forest. It's a POW camp.
Oh God.
A little risky nowadays.
Yeah.
Let's move on. See where we're going to.
All right, so it looks like we found our spot. We're gonna be heading over that way. Hopefully we'll find a good level area.
So, but we could go down by the lake, but a lot of these roads down here are not made for vehicles like this. You need a nice little truck.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even take a car down there, to be honest. But if you had a nice truck, you get a nice spot down here.
All right, so we got Thoretta pulled in her spot safely for the night. I'm gonna go in there and see if she's level, and yeah, cook some dinner. Good night, y'all. The POW camp in Desoto National Forest, it's a pretty good spot. It's a primitive spot, so there's no hookups, there's no water either. Just kind of wanted to come here just to kind of chill before we go to the city, so we're probably not going to be doing any hiking or anything. Shay's in there playing guitar and Rusty's chilling on the couch next to him. Alright, so we're going to go check out this little pond over here. Come on, buddy.
Little lake jellyfish.
It looks like a booger.
Behind us we have these gutter looking concrete things. I don't know what they are. This used to be a POW camp, so maybe it has something to do with that. I don't know.
Alright, so we're getting her all packed up. We're going to be leaving DeSoto National Forest and we're going to be headed to New Orleans. We made it to Louisiana. Do you feel Cajun yet, baby?
Nope.
Well, we are on our way to a wildlife management area. It's Pearl River Campground. We're gonna stay there for the night, and then we're gonna take a little day trip to the city to see the French Quarters.
We're here at our little overnight spot here on the Pearl River. We are about to leave and head over to New Orleans.
This bridge goes on forever! So we are walking the streets of New Orleans. We are headed to Louis Armstrong Park. It's supposed to be like a historical jazz park. In its prime. We found him, Louis Armstrong himself. Well, kind of. So we made it to the Mississippi. We're gonna go take a seat and chill out. It was really cool. I'm kind of happy that it's not as crowded as it's supposed to be, you know? Because I was able to like actually walk down the street and not get crammed with a bunch of people. But it is pretty busy, it's pretty loud, and a lot of stuff was closed too. I saw a lot of windows shut with padlocks on them, so that's kind of sucks. I bet that's because of COVID, hence the masks. But we're having a really good day so far. I think we're gonna go get some food, test out some authentic New Orleans food. All right, so we went ahead and stopped at the gumbo shop, and we got some authentic Creole food. I'm gonna try jambalaya for the first time, and Shay's having a blackened fish po' boy. So delicious.
Oh boy.
Look at that thing, Shay. This is fresh. It's still warm. It smells delicious. Oh my god. You should have known. See what else we got here. So this is jambalaya. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, this is dessert, so we're gonna save this one for later. Ooh, this is the chicken adolie gumbo. Ah, that's big good. Oh my god, that's so good. That was so good. The bread, I love the bread. The bread was delicious. The gumbo and whatnot was good too. But this is dessert. It's bread pudding with whiskey sauce.
That's good.
Well, we just left New Orleans. We are headed to a casino. It's by Lake Charles. It's right, not in Texas, but close to the border of Texas. We're gonna stay there overnight, and then we're gonna be headed into Texas first thing in the morning. New Orleans was fun. It was still crowded. There were still like people there. It wasn't what I would call a ghost town. But we still, I mean, I've still enjoyed being there. It was nice, you know, just seeing it for the first time. But I am happy to kind of go in the woods and kind of be away from people. Rusty didn't like it at all. He's most definitely a country dog versus the city dog. He didn't like all the people and the noise. Shay's got the map together and we're off.
Have a good one.